Hi, welcome to Chalk Talk. Today's topic is about product versus project mindset. There's a difference between a product mindset and a project mindset. Focus, life cycle knowledge, and maintenance. So we think about a product mindset and we think about our focus on a product mindset is on the outcome. The outcome is the product itself. Like, what are we delivering to the world? What is the quality and standards that we're delivering? Are we delivering a product that's useful, that people enjoy using, and that meets the needs of the customers? Project mindset, frequently the focus, unfortunately, is on the output. So is the team delivering? How many points is the team delivering? Or what cadence is the team delivering? Or is it delivered on time? So kind of the outcome versus output. When we think about a life cycle, a product's life cycle is ongoing. It's constantly iterative. So the product is a living thing. We continue to evolve and grow the product as the market evolves and grows, and the needs of our users evolve and change. We build on what we have. In a project mindset, our life cycle is simply a project life cycle. It has a start, a middle, and an end, which brings us to our knowledge base. So in the notion of a living, ongoing, iterative life cycle, we also have a living knowledge base. We retain the knowledge that we have, and then we grow on top of that. In a project mindset, our knowledge tends to get stale. What happens is we end the project, we package the knowledge up around the product that we built, and we hand it over to the maintenance team. So now the knowledge base is a stale entity. It's no longer growing, it's no longer living, right? And then we're handing it to a different team to maintain. Which brings us to maintenance. Maintenance in a product mindset tends to be part of our development. So as we're developing and iterating on the product, we're also maintaining it. So if we find bugs or we find issues with previous code, we fix those as we're putting out new releases on the product. But it's being done by generally the same team that's done the development. So you understand the code base, the underlying business notion, and you're coming from a place of knowledge. Whereas at a project mindset, because we've built something and we've handed it usually to somebody else to maintain, frequently the knowledge base isn't there. It's a stale document versus being somebody who actually wrote the code and built the product. So you're going to have a little bit of a delta in when someone goes to fix something. If you're trying to fix something that you didn't create, it's a lot harder, it takes longer, you're more likely to have quality issues. So thinking about the difference between a product and a project mindset, I think about a product as a living thing. A product is living, it's ongoing, it's iterative. A project is start, middle, and end, and then it's done. Thank you so much for joining us today. Until next time.